हेलो शर्वशियन, गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन। जैसे कि आप लोगों के पास इंफॉर्मेशन था, आज विद्युत सर डॉक्टर विद्युत चक्रवर्ती को लाइव आने वाले थे, वो आयुष क्वाथ टैबलेट एंड आयुष क्वाथ इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर के साथ। सर यहाँ पे हाजिर है सर के लाइव को लेके। आप लोगों को यहाँ पे बहुत बहुत अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेशन और यूनिक इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलने वाले हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। आई लाइक टू वेलकम डॉक्टर विद्युत चक्रवर्ती सर, प्लीज वेलकम।
Okay, thank you everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Jai Sarvasi House, Jai Sarvasi House, Jai Sarvasi House. Now I would like to discuss about the two omnipotent products of Sarvasi House. You know, the crucial pandemic situation is captured our nation, not our nation, throughout the world, and as per the statistics concern, it covered more than 39,36,747 persons are now attacked by COVID. Out of that, the casualties were done 38,472. That means that is a death case. In the arena of the world respect, the person attacked 2,66,51,000 only 8, and the casualty took place 8,76,082. That is a death case. During this crucial stage, our company, our respected company, Sarvasi House Private Limited, introduced Ayush Immunity Booster to combat COVID-19 successfully according to the recommendation of Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. Now, the products are very much unique synergistic formulation. You know synergistic. Whenever the product is made up more than one component, that is called synergistic. So our product is a synergistic component, and it is completely Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. What is coronavirus? You should know the coronavirus. Coronavirus, that means scope of large family of viruses that come illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East respiratory syndrome, that is called SARS-CoV. A novel coronavirus, that is called nCoV, is a new strain that has not been previously identified in human. This is the very crucial thing in our matter. Our scientists are trying to invent the vaccinations and different type of medicines due to combat the crucial formations of the new strain. Now we would discuss about the importance of immune power to combat COVID-19. This is the final and the first stage of the matter. Here we should discuss the immunity power is the main thing to combat everything aspects of the COVID-19. In the wake of COVID-19 outbreak, entire mankind across the globe is suffering. Enhancing the body's natural defense system, that is called immunity, plays an important role in maintaining optimum health. We are doing these products for getting the optimum health in irrespective of everybody's. We all know that prevention is better than cure. While there is no medicine for COVID-19 as of now, it will be good to take preventive measures which boost our immunity in the times. That means we should take these products for getting our immunity balance, immunity power, and to prevent very successfully the COVID-19. Ministry of Ayush recommends the following self-care guidelines, the preventive health measures and boosting immunity with special reference to respiratory health, because COVID is attacking respiratory systems. Everybody should protect the respiratory health. In this respect, our product is dedicated, highly dedicated to prevent the respiratory health of everybody. I mean to say, those who are intaking or users of the products, our product will maintain the respiratory health very healthfully and very perfectly. Now, they are supported by Ayurvedic literature and scientific publications. SHPL introduced Ayush Immune Booster and Ayush Katha tablet. Both are same in respect of compositional aspects. This omnipotent product is produced under decoction, that means Kwath system of Ayurveda. The 4 ingredients are blended for this supplement. Number 1, Tulsi. You know Tulsi. Tulsi is called the holy basil. Tulsi is a queen of herbal family. It is called incomparable one, which acts as an antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal agent. It has proven beneficial role to come down the pain and inflammation. Now, my dear friends, the second ingredient is curcumin. The second ingredient is cinnamon, dalchini. You know cinnamon. Cinnamon carries different medicinal properties to combat diseases. Cinnamon is a very lucrative and powerful ingredient herbs which can positively combat COVID-19 and many diseases. It played a vital role to prevent Spanish flu before 1000 years. It is a history. We are getting from the history that dalchini, cinnamon played a good role to combat Spanish flu more than 100 years ago. Save a lot of lives from these epidemic diseases. Cinnamon lowers blood sugar and has a powerful anti-diabetic effect. Cinnamon is loaded with powerful antioxidants such as polyphenol and save our life from the effect of free radicals. We know the antioxidants are flushing out the toxin products from our body very successfully, and it also cleans the free radicals in our body at the time of metabolic systems very carefully. Cinnamon can prevent us from the attack of neurodegenerative diseases We know the neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's diseases. It reduces the risk of heart disease and cancer. Number 3, gingiva officinalis, salt. Gingiva officinalis, commonly known for ginger, is a spice consumed worldwide for culinary. That means it is highly used in our kitchen for making foods and medicinal purposes. The plant has a number of chemicals responsible for its medicinal properties, such as anti-arthritis, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-cancer also. Kali Mirch, Piper nigrum. It is an important healthy food owing to its antioxidant, antimicrobial potentiality, and gastroprotective modules. Black pepper with piperine is an effective and active ingredient. Holds rich phytochemistry that act also includes volatile oil, oleorizing, and alkaloids. That means it makes our body, the fluid structures converts into from acidic to alkaline body. Composition. Each 10 ml contains Tulsi Oseam tenuiforum 1333.5 mg, Dalchini cinnamon 666.6 mg, Shod Gingiva officinalis 666.6 mg, Kali Mirch Piper nigrum 330.3 mg. Doses for the elixir. This is the elixir. You know, it is a tonic. Elixir is called as a tonic formation. This is a liquid formation. For elixir, consume 15 to 20 ml twice daily before breakfast and tiffin, or by the advice of your health provider. Tablets, very important, 1 to 2 tablets twice a daily before breakfast or tiffin, or advised by your health provider. Now I discuss with you the proven benefits of both products. Number 1, improve immunity. Yes, immunity is the first and foremost thing for arresting or combat or prevent the COVID-19. So in this respect, this product is highly choosable for us for improved immunity. Number 2, helps fight cough. Help fight cough and cold. Cleanness the lungs. It can cleansing the respiratory organ very powerfully. Number 4, fight against all types of virus and bacteria. Now I want to give you 2 advices for maintaining of these products. In case of elixir product, shake the bottle before use. Shake the bottle before use. You have to use twice daily, and before that you have to shake the bottle before use. Number 2, consume clean and fresh drinking water 3.5 liters to 4 liters per day. You have to drink the more water after taking these solutions. Okay, thank you everybody, and surely you can fight and you will be the winner of the COVID war. So thank you everybody. Thanks.